Welcome back. Myself, Professor Bhushan Taide from Kikewa College of Horticulture, Nashik. Today, we will learn about types of chrysanthemum. Common name chrysanthemum, Glory of East, Queen of East, Anthem Queen, Guldaudi, Pot Mums. Scientific name Dendranthema glandiflora, family Asteraceae, origin South Europe. Chromosome number is 9. History The Floris spotted chrysanthemum is complex hybrid composed of crosses among several annuals and perennial species native to China. Though grown by the Chinese for over 2000 years, cultivars were not available in Europe until the 18th centuries. In the United States, around 1889, Elmer D. Smith hybridized and named over 500 cultivars. However, real development of the chrysanthemum as a pot crop has occurred since the 1940s. The chrysanthemum used in pot culture today is hardy or semi-hardy herbaceous perennial with flowers in wide range of colors. So let us see types of chrysanthemum. First type is irregular curve in curve. These are the giant blooms of the chrysanthemum genus. The florets or petals loosely incurve and make fully closed centers. The lower floret present an irregular appearance and may give skirted effect. Flower size 6 to 8 inches. Flower characteristic grown as a disbud plant moderately short. Second type is reflex. The florets in this class curve downward and overlap similar to the bird plumage. The tops of these blooms are full but somewhat flattened. Dorine statham, flower size 4 to 6 inches. Characteristic of flower is grown as a disbud plant medium height. Next type is regular incurve, a true globular broom equal in breadth and depth. The florets smoothly incurve and form a ball. Flower size 4 to 6 inches. Grown as a disbud or moderately short plant. Decorative chrysanthemum, a flattened bloom with short petals, as in class first to 3. The center disc should not be visible. The upper florets tend to incurve, but lower petals generally reflex. Flower size 5 inches or greater. Flower characteristic grown as a pot mums or disbud. Plant height is short. Next type is intermediate in incurve. This bloom class is smaller than the irregular incurve, with shorter florets only partially incurving with the full centers but giving a more open appearance. Many of the popular commercial incurving types are in this intermediate class. Flower size 6 inches or greater, grown as a dispersed plant, height is medium. Next is pompon, a small globular bloom somewhat flat when the young but fully round when mature. Size ranges from small button types to large disbudded blooms, almost 4 inches in diameter. The florets incurve or reflex in a regular manner and fully conceal the center. Flower size 4 to 1 to 4 inches, grown as a spray. Plant height is a tall. Single and semi-double flower, a daisy-like flower with a center disc, one or more ray florets, flower size more than 4 inches, grown as a disbud or spray, plant height is medium. Next is anemone. These blooms are similar to the semi-doubles but have raised cushion center, flower size more than 4 inches, Same, it is grown as a dispersed plant and plant height is medium. Spoon, especially the same as the semi-double except the ray florets are like spoons. The center disc is round and visible. Flower size 4 inches or greater. Grown as spray plant. Plant height is tall. Next is quill. The florets in this class are straight and tubular with open tips. The bloom is fully double with no open center. Flower size 6 inches or more than 6 inches. Grown as a disbird, plant height is medium. Spider. Spider have long tubular ray florets which may coil or hook at the end. The florets may be very fine to coarse. Next type is brush or thistle. Fine tubular florets with grow parallel to the stem and resembles an artist paint brushes or in this thistle form. The florets are flattened, twisted and dropping. Flower size less than 2 inches. Next type is unclassified or exotic. Those blooms which fit in none of the other classes, they are often exotic with twisted floret. They may be exhibits characteristic of more than one bloom class. So this was all about the types of chrysanthemum. Thanks for watching.